Hey guys, in this video I'll share how to cook lentils for those with Nigerian taste buds. I call it lentils porridge. It's just like beans porridge. It is tasty and great for diabetics. Here are the ingredients you will need. Rinse the lentils in plenty of cool water. I use a pressure cooker to cook it because lentils can take a while to cook in a normal pot. Add lots of water because lentils can drink water. Stock cubes, black pepper, and start cooking. While that is cooking, scrape and rinse the carrots. And clean the green pepper and the onions. Cut them like this. And set aside. This is how soft I like my lentils to be when they are done. I like it to feel like okwa when I'm eating it. Yum! Add the onions, carrots, palm oil, and some salt. Cover, and once it simmers, add the green peppers. Once it heats up again, it's done. Don't mind how watery it looks now. You will love it when it cools down to a comfortable temperature. Enjoy!